The overall goal of this procedure is to describe standardized quantitative testing of autonomic functions. The presented protocol evaluates all three major autonomic domains: cardiovagal, adrenergic, and sudomotor. Finally, the severity and distribution of dysautonomia is quantitated using Composite Autonomic Severity Scores. Several assessments are used to accomplish this. The first assessment, the deep breathing test, checks cardiovagal function or parasympathetic function. The second assessment, the Valsalva maneuver, checks both cardiovagal and adrenergic function. The third assessment, the tilt test, checks primarily adrenergic function. The final assessment, the sweat response test, checks postganglionic sympathetic sudomotor function. Ultimately, these assessments can demonstrate not only the presence or absence of autonomic failure, but also the severity and distribution of autonomic failure.
This test method can help answer the key questions such as: does the patient suffer from dysautonomia? Does the patient have autonomic neuropathy? These methods also help address whether the dysautonomia is clinically relevant, help determine the distribution and severity of autonomic failure, and help determine how to treat the failure. Demonstrating the procedure will be Shane Stanek, a technician from my laboratory.
For the deep breathing test, have the patient lie down. Then attach the ECG electrodes. Next, attach the respiratory probe and the